and welcome to my bleached college t-shirt DIY video. In this video, we're just going to be, I'm going to do a voiceover. It's going to be a time lapse, and I'm going to do a voiceover explaining like what we're doing a little bit, and then it's going to have some aesthetic music in there, so stay tuned. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down any questions you have below, and get ready because I might be doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers, so tell your friends to subscribe. I'm going to give away 2 Notre Dame pullovers and possibly one of these shirts. So that's all I have to say right now. Also, watch some of my other videos. I'll link my playlist down below. Let's go.